Stop. Before you click install on EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard, you might be about to make the one mistake that makes your lost files unrecoverable forever. Most people just spam the default button and install it directly onto their C drive. If that's where your lost files was, you have likely just overwritten it with the software itself. Today, I'm going to show you the safest, most professional way to install EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard version 20.1 to ensure your files stay safe and ready for recovery. Before we even touch the download link, we need to ensure Drive C remains a version drive. If your browser is set to download files automatically, it is going to drop that installer right into your downloads folder on the C drive. In your preferred web browser, click on the three dots at the right top corner and select Settings. Now simply go to the download section and turn on the option that says ask where to save each file before downloading. Now we can safely go to the link in my description or top comment to grab the official version 20.1. This gives you that 2 GB of free recovery space to test things out. When you hit download, a window will pop up asking where to save the file. Do not select your C drive. Instead, plug in a USB flash drive, or more importantly, not the drive where your files were lost. Saving the installer to an external source is the only way to guarantee you aren't destroying your data while trying to save it. The rule is simple. Never write new data to the drive you are trying to recover from. Once it is saved to your external drive, we are ready to run the setup. Now that we have safely downloaded the installer to our external drive, go ahead and run the file. When the setup window appears, you will see that big tempting Install Now button. Wait, don't click it yet. If you click that, the program will automatically install to your C drive, which is exactly what we are trying to avoid. Instead, look at the bottom right corner for the text that says Installation Settings. Click that to expand the hidden options. You will now see the installation path. Click Browse and navigate to your external USB drive or your secondary hard drive, anywhere except the drive that needs recovery. By manually overriding this path, you are ensuring the software runs entirely from a safe zone. Once you have selected your non-C drive path, you can finally hit Install. When the progress bar hits 100%, the installation is complete. But before we launch, let's do a quick safety check. If you open your secondary drive, the one we chose in the previous step, you will see the EaseUS file is right there. This confirms that your C drive stayed completely untouched throughout this entire process. Now you can safely launch the wizard because you installed it the safe way. You have given yourself the highest possible chance of getting your files back without any corruption. If you realized you need an upgrade, make sure to use my second link in the top comment to take advantage of the 50% discount EaseUS is offering right now. Now we are ready to start the recovery process. If you want to see exactly how to use this software for free, click the video on the screen right now to learn how to use EaseUS without paying.